Lorraine Kelly hit out at Prince Harry and Meghan Markle during her ITV show on Monday, as she labeled the royals' privacy court case embarrassing. On Monday's Lorraine, the ITV host discussed the latest royal news with royal editor Roya Nikkhah. She spoke about the upcoming series of The Crown and how it will be tough for the royal family to watch. However, the segment soon took a turn when Lorraine Kelly labeled Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's current privacy court case embarrassing. The Duchess of Sussex has faced a new court battle with Associated Newspapers Limited, (ANL), after the media group appealed the High Court's ruling it had unlawfully published Meghan's letter to her father, Thomas Markle. The letter was originally published by the Mail on Sunday, and Meghan argued it breached copyright and her privacy over what she claims was a private letter written to Thomas. "We have this very bizarre story about Harry and Meghan and this court appeal," the host began. "This could be extremely embarrassing for both of them." She continued, "They were told not to pursue it, weren't they?" The royal advisor said, "Please don't do this." Roya replied, "There is frustration within the royal family at how this is playing out. Because before they pulled the trigger, advisors, the Queen's top lawyers said think this through." The royal editor added, "If this goes all the way, think what could come out. Text messages, disclosure, all of that." Lorraine also criticized Meghan on her show last week, as she spoke about the latest on Meghan's court case with royal expert Russell Myers. The host admitted she couldn't understand why Meghan would take the newspaper to court. "It's baffling to me that if you're going to take a newspaper to court you have to be rock solid, and I know it was about the letter, but that's more things coming out about this letter that she sent to her dad calling him daddy," Lorraine said. "I wonder why it didn't come out beforehand. It seems really strange, the timing," she criticized. Following the letter, it has since been reported that text messages between Meghan and her former press secretary, Jason Knauf, could be made public, the Court of Appeal has heard, which could shed further information on the letter. According to The Telegraph, the Duchess of Sussex and Jason have each submitted a witness statement, which parts of text messages between the two were included. In her written submission to the court, Meghan said, "These are private texts regarding deeply personal family matters that I exchanged with him in the context of his providing to me what he himself has described as close personal support as a trusted advisor." The Duchess continued, "I am therefore puzzled as to why he has quoted extracts from those texts in his statement rather than exhibiting them, in full, in a confidential schedule to his statement and allowing them to speak for themselves, set in their full context. Be that as it may, I believe that they in fact support my pleaded case and undermine the defendant's case." The Duchess added, "Subsequent to receipt of Jason's witness statement, my solicitors asked his legal team to provide them with a complete copy of the text and email communications from which he quoted. I had no access to any of my texts with Jason as set out below. In addition to those identified above, there are a number of further passages in these communications which Jason makes no mention of in his statement, and which I wish to draw to the attention of the court." Lorraine airs weekdays at 9 a.m. on ITV.